Framer versus Webflow versus Figma, best website builder. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Framer, Webflow, and Figma. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Framer. Framer is a website building tool that focuses on design and prototyping. It offers interactive features and allows for real-time collaboration. Pros of Framer: easy to use with drag and drop functionality, strong design and animation features, good for prototyping, integrates well with third-party apps. Cons of Framer: limited templates compared to other builders, less customization options for developers. Pricing can be high for some users. Next, let's discuss Webflow. Webflow is a powerful website builder that allows you to create responsive websites visually. It's popular among designers and developers alike for its flexibility and control. Pros of Webflow: highly customizable, ideal for advanced users. Full control over animations and interactions. Great for SEO and responsive design. Allows for seamless integration. Cons of Webflow: steeper learning curve for beginners. Limited customer support options. Can be expensive for small projects. Finally, let's look at Figma. Figma is primarily a design tool but can also be used for website building through plugins and integrations. It's great for collaboration and prototyping. Pros of Figma: excellent for collaboration and team projects, allows for easy sharing and feedback, great design and prototyping features, free tier available. Cons of Figma: not specifically a website builder, more of a design tool, limited functionality for development, requires additional plugins for full website creation. So that's basically the main differences between Framer, Webflow, and Figma, which will help you in choosing the right website builder for you. So that's all for this video.